Welcome back to my Styledglamor channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for you guys for secure your wig. Here you'll see I have a closure wig. It's 26 inches and it's Malaysian hair by QT Hair. I've got my wig strap, I've got the needle and thread that it comes with, and it's really cool because the needle and thread is already knotted at the end, so you literally are just going to unravel the needle and thread, and then you're going to position everything. Comes with a step-by-step tutorial, and you just need a needle and your thread. So we're going to position the straps to exactly where you want it to be, and since you have your predetermined needle, you're just going to start sewing. You can sew from left to right, right to left, whatever is easiest for you, but you're going to want to make sure that you keep sewing until each corner is completely flat. And you'll know if you are not finished sewing because the corner will lift. So you'll continue sewing both corners until it's flat. And then once you finish the sewing, you'll see that your wig strap will be fully intact, and you'll be able to adjust the band. So now I'm done, and I just want to show you guys all the clips that it comes with, along with the wig strap clips and the band for the sizing, which will shape your head. Put the wig on, and it's a closure, so you want to make sure that you cut the lace. I'm pulling the hair back with 2 clips just so it's out of the way, and this wig does come with baby hair, so I don't want to mess up the baby hair, and I'm just going to cut in a zigzag to ensure that my hairline looks natural. And you'll just continue all the way through until you've cut all of the lace away, including the little edges that are left behind. And voila! Done!